Welcome to our channel, and in this video I will teach you about the upcoming NoNameCharli NFT collection. First, please notice our disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, now let's dive right into this video. And before we start, I do want to say that all the links you will need for this video and for the NoNameCharli NFT collection will be down in the description. Alright, so as I said, in this video we'll be talking about the upcoming NFT collection. The pre-sale and the public sale will still come. And the NFT collection is the NoNameCharli NFT collection, in which you follow Charlie, the stick figure, through all kinds of journeys and memes and way more. So Charlie, as I said, is the stick figure in every single meme and NFT they have. They have an NFT collection of over 5,000 individual NFTs. And he's going through a crazy, fun, degen, amazing crypto and blockchain journey. But Charlie is not just a stick figure. He represents anyone and everyone in the crypto space. He's all of us, and therefore the name NoNameCharli. And you follow him through everything the crypto and blockchain space has to offer, learning with him, but also looking back at memorable events that happened in the crypto sphere. So quickly, I want to say, as you can see, the mint is coming soon. I will repeat this more often in the video, but the pre-sale will be the August the 23rd on their website, NoNameCharli, and the public sale will be August the 26th. Also on the NoNameCharli.com website, but again, all the links will be down in the description. So the NoNameCharli is one of the most unique NFT collections out there. The meme NFTs are about everything in the blockchain space, and they're not just memes. It works as an art collection, education, social commentary, and commemoration. And there are lots of layers to the NFTs. So they cover a wide range of topics regarding blockchain and cryptos. So we are going to check out the categories a little bit later on the website too. And as I said, you follow Charlie through all of these things. So the whole story and vision behind NoNameCharli is to follow the stick character throughout blockchain and crypto, but it is also about educating, raising awareness, promoting great projects, sharing the crypto culture, and celebrating the crazy history that we can all agree the crypto industry has. So many millions of people obviously will come into the space, and with the NoNameCharli they can actually take a journey through the whole development of crypto and blockchain, see what has happened and some interesting things that happened along the way. So the collection itself has different rarities. There are 5 levels, which we will get into a little bit later, and virality potential, which has 4 tiers too. And as I said, we will scroll down for the details a little bit later. And there are also sub-communities within the collection. So there are 250 original memes, and they all have 20 editions to form its own sub-community. And the sub-community can come together to market or shill, and NNC, or NoNameCharli, will continue to market and promote all of the memes, and also working with the new upcoming artists to keep evolving the existing memes and raising the value of the originals. More on this and other projects they have at NoNameCharli you can find at the roadmap, which you can find if you press roadmap at the top menu right there. So as I said, it's not just a meme NFT collection. We have enough meme NFT collections. It's a story. It's a story about Charlie. It's a story about you and I. And you have different categories of their NFTs. So they're not only memes. You have culture NFTs about different projects or platforms, as you can see MetaMask right here. Also education on certain things such as rug pools, commemoration, things that happen such as the pizza being bought with 10,000 bitcoins, the vision, and also some interesting people around the crypto and blockchain space. So here you can see the different rarities, and that is basically being created in hats on top of Charlie. So the first rarity level is no hat, that's about 50%. Then you have propellers, that has about 20%. A Viking helmet has 15%. A unicorn horn, 10%. And a crown, which is the most special of all of them, which has 5% of the total NFT collection. They have a crown. So I quickly wanted to glance over some of the NFTs out of the actual collection to give you an idea of what the collection is about. So for example, they have memes about BitConnect. I think we can all remember what happened with BitConnect. And as I said, it's actually a commemoration of things that happened and funny memes following Charlie again about those things that happened. They also have memes about Elon Musk, as we've all experienced that he definitely has some say in what happens on the crypto market. Some valuable education about how, for example, the Ethereum ecosystem works, all visible within the meme. But apart from that, they also have some funny memes about noteworthy people such as Joe Rogan or Max Kaiser. So there's a lot to be seen and there's something for everybody. And it's not just memes, it's education, commemoration, and it's a journey through crypto and blockchain. And quickly, I do want to remind you that all the links, as I said earlier too, will be down in the description. The pre-sale will be August the 23rd and the public sale will be August the 26th, all on NoNameCharli.com. So behind NoNameCharli, there's an amazing young team that is passionate about blockchain technology and the positive things it can offer in the world. So the team consists mostly of high schoolers, some middle schoolers and one college student. And they started from scratch without any professional skills and figured out things as they went. So they themselves are the Charlies together with you and I. They went through the journey, learned things, experienced things, and put that into this NFT collection. So lastly, and you should follow them on Twitter too, again, the link will be down in the description, they have the Great Rebrand movement, which will happen very soon. So the NoNameCharli team is sparking a movement called the Great Rebrand to rebrand the blockchain space. The mainstream media solely highlights the negative, scammy aspects of crypto, blockchain, and NFT, and they want to give the people a positive, hopeful and awesome perspective of this revolutionary technology. And to set this off, the team is galvanizing everyone in different blockchain communities and organizing a 3-day Twitter raid. So definitely follow and check them out on Twitter if you want to participate in that. And this will all happen August the 18th up until August the 20th. So more info will be posted on their Twitter account, but basically you can participate by using the Great Rebrand hashtag, but also tagging @TheGreatRebrand. Again, all the links will be down in the description. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. So in this video, we talked about the NoNameCharli NFT collection. We went over what their vision is, the team behind it, but also we took a look at what the NFT collection itself is and what it means. And you actually saw some of the NFTs out of the NFT collection. And apart from that, we talked about the Great Rebrand movement, which more info about that will be released on their Twitter. So for now, one last time, I do want to remind you that all the links you will need will be down in the description. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments about questions I might have missed and subscribe to our channel. Bye.